Okay, in this video we are going to see how to create a HTML file and how we can write code, the basic code, and can run that code into browser, or how can we actually see the output. So first you have to create a file called HTML with extension .html. So first I will actually going to create a folder here, and this will be the third video of the course, so I will just name it third or something. Then we actually have to open this folder into VS Code, so I will just open the VS Code and I will open this folder by going file and open folder, and then I have to just go to that path. So I will just quickly go to that path. Okay, this is the folder, and the folder I have created now. So I'll just select folder and open this on VS Code. So it is actually open now, so the folder is actually empty, so there is nothing here. You will find like the files here, you can see them here, and also you can create file or a new folder. Okay, these two are for creating file and for creating folder. And we actually want to create a file and we'll name it for index.html. This extension is very important. You actually have to put .html for HTML files, and you can name it any other with any other thing if you want, but you actually have to put .html in the end because it is a HTML file. So I will now hit enter and a file is created, and now I actually can open this file in the browser so that I can actually see the output. So I will just open it in the browser. So it is now actually opened. So it is actually blank now because there is no code. I haven't written any code yet, so I actually have to write code here so that we can see something in the page. Okay, the first thing, the HTML starts with the HTML tag, and we write code like this in the HTML. So we have a greater than sign and less than sign. Okay, less than sign and greater than sign, and also this is the start tag and this is the end tag. So 99% tag have a starting tag and a end tag in the HTML. There are some tags that they don't have a end tag. So you first give a less than sign and greater than sign, then you will try to code that and tag name HTML. This is the starting, so there is also a slash in the end, remember that. Then we actually have two things, head tag and body tag. So in the HTML, inside of the HTML tag we have two things, head and body. So I will say head, and we also have another tag called body. Like 99% code will go in the body tag, and there are some things what will go into head tag, some like title. I can actually change the title of the page by like this. There is a tag called title, and you can change the name of the page or title of the page like this. I can say fast website. Okay, this is our fast website. So why it changed, and you also have to save it. So you can save by, like, I have changed something, it will show like a dot, so it is not yet saved. And if I want to save it, I can go file and save. Okay, but also you can do Control S. We will do that every time. So I'll just enter Control save, Control S, so it is saved now. And we can now go to the browser, and we can actually, this is now index.html. here you can see that if I just reload it, it actually became fast website. That is actually what we have named it in here. So this is the this is the uses of title tag. You can also change it if you want. Fast website for me. I have saved it by Ctrl S, and if I go now and I reload it, it is actually showing that to me. So there is a thing that we actually installed a extension called live server. Okay, so if you actually successfully installed it, there will be there will be option called go live. So you will find this if you actually successfully install the live server. So what actually it does is, if we actually go live, so it will start development server. So now if I actually change something like the title of the page, so I have written the text here and I haven't yet saved it. So now if I saved it, I actually don't have to reload the page. Okay, so it actually changed automatically title of the page. Okay, so I will just make it the fast website, because this is our fast website. And if I save it now, the title is again changed. So this is the basic thing, and I will go more deep into the body tag, and we'll see some basic tags in the next video. This is the video where you actually knew that how you can actually create a file, HTML file, and the basic structure of HTML code. Okay, see you in the next video.